Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Aslam Coding. So I have started DSA and Computer Science Fundamentals preparation journey, especially for the placements and interviews. So in the month of December, I started this, and there are almost 6 to 8 important subjects that we have to focus on when we are starting our preparation. Okay. So out of all those subjects, the most important one is the data structures and algorithms. So there are, I will just tell you the names of those. Like the first one, the DSA, then the computer science fundamental subject, that is OOPS, operating system, DBMS, computer networks, LLD, HLD, and React.js. So the most important one is the DSA. That is very important. Like if you are not able to clear this the DSA problem solving rounds, no, then you will not be going for the next round. So data structures. So what I have decided is that out of all the 6 month journey, so I will be giving the like 80% of my time solving the problems. Okay, then comes the computer science fundamentals, like 20%. There I will devote to the computer science fundamentals, and along with that 2 or 3 good projects, like you have to learn MERN stack or any other field like AI ML or whatever you love, like app development and all, you can try out. So for MERN stack is very easy to learn, like React.js and Tailwind CSS you can learn for the front end, and for the backend part you can just learn Express.js and Node.js, and that's okay. And any database like MongoDB and all, that's more than enough for you, and just make 2 or 3 projects. So data structures is the thing that plays important role in your interviews. Okay, so I have already told you about these 8 subjects. Okay, so I started my revision journey since I have all covered almost 80 to 90% of these subjects. So what I am doing is that I am focusing on the revision. So in the month of December, from 18th December, I started revising those subjects. Okay, so like there are, so I decided this 6 month journey into three different parts. I divided my revision journey in 3 parts. Like first one is 0 to 2 months, then second one is 3 to 4 months, and the third one is 5 to 6 months. So the 6 month journey I divided in the chunk of three, and each of 2 2 months. So in the first 2 month, what I decided, I just took 4 things. So in every three chunks, I made sure that DSA should be there. So in the first 0 to 2 months, 0 to 2 months, what I made, 4 subjects I have taken. First one is the DSA, that is data structures, and after that I taken operating system, then LLD, low level design, and after that I have taken OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming. These are very important and almost asked in each and every interviews of coding round. So DSA, as I have told you, it's very important. So till now my journey is in from, I started from the 18th December in 2025, and it is like 11th January 2026. So till now my current status is that in DSA I have just able to revise 30 notes in DSA, and operating system, out of 30 notes, 30 or 31 notes, I am able to revise 23 notes. I have completed proper revision, like each and every notes I have just written it and drawn the diagrams and tried to learn deadlocks, how it is working, learned about mutex, semaphores, locks, and how the process synchronizations and all these work. So operating system part I'm doing it very well, because these are also asked. And after that there is object oriented programming. So in the OOPS concept there were total 8 lectures that I completed revision. So in the first 2 months, what I will say, that object oriented programming, that is completed, and the OS part, out of 31 lectures, almost 23 lectures are done, proper revision has been done, and only 6 to 7 lectures are there. So in the first month itself, OS is just about to end. And object oriented programming also I have completed. And regarding DSA, I'm little bit lagging in DSA. Still 30 notes are more than enough, and I will try to cover at least by the end of this 1 month, at least 60 to 70 notes in DSA I will try to cover. And regarding the LLD part, that is low level design, so there total 40 lectures are there, and out of that 5 lectures I have revised properly. So LLD also plays a very important role in your interviews. And even if you are going for the higher interviews, like if you are a software engineer and if you want to go for the SDE2 level, so there you have to learn the LLD. This plays a very important role. So if you have mastered LLD, low level design, earlier itself, then it will be very helpful for you in your future. Okay, so this is my journey till now. So the first 2 months I'm sharing. So now coming to the third and fourth month. So in the third and fourth months, what I will be planning, that again DSA will be there. So I have told that each and every segment DSA will be there, of course. So again in the third to 4 months, DSA is there. Then second one, that is the computer networks, and the third one will be DBMS. So out of that So DSA is very like very lengthy topics. Like there are so much topics. If you want to learn DSA na, so in the starting you have to choose any language like C++ or Java. But I am doing DSA in C++ because I prefer it, and it is very fast, and STL is there, so you can implement codes very easily, and you are able to understand so many back-end concepts, like behind the scene concepts, how it's working. So I prefer C++, and also helps in competitive programming and all. So the first will be like DSA as it is, and the second one computer networks, and the third one will be DBMS. So DSA is total around, I think, 200 plus lectures are there. So there also I have covered almost 90 to 95%, and I'm just revising it. So I have already told in the 0 to second month, 13 notes I have already covered, and other also I have revised, but I'm revising it again and again so that my concept are stronger. And in the interviews I do not like lag out, or I do not get freezes, or just feeling dumb. So that's why it's better to keep on revising multiple times even though you have learned it. So 3 to 4 months is clear, like DSA, computer networks, and DBMS. And then after come the 5 to 6 months. In the 5 to 6 months, what I will be doing, that again data instructions algorithm, that is very important, that will be the top priority. Then come the high level design, HLD. So there, that also it's mostly theoretical parts and some caching, and server scaling. Like if you have made a software and it is scaling to thousands of users, then the lakhs of users are coming, then millions of users are using. So how you will scale your software, like how, like horizontal scaling and vertical scaling, so many things are there. So that HLD I will be doing. Then after that, web development 2 or 3 projects already I have made it, just I will fine tune it, just I will properly deploy it, and will add some more features to it, and just make sure it's done. So this is going to be my strategy for the last 6 months for my preparation. And I'm not just doing the DSA theoretically, since from the beginning itself, like from the last 1.5 years, I have been practicing problems on LeetCode and Codeforces. And on LeetCode I have solved almost 970 to 980 problems on LeetCode, and on Codeforces almost 300 problems I have solved. So I'm not just doing the DSA theoretical and all, and I just respect all the concept. Not only people are fighting, like today AI is there, so no one is asking for coders and all. That's not the case. Still the companies are searching for good software engineer. They are not just thinking about the coders. Like if you are knowing, you can use AI to generate the codes, but they are searching for good software engineers who can solve the problems, who can think, who can build logics, who can write codes which runs for millions of users. Okay, so that's the most important thing. So if you're also in your first year, second year, or third or fourth year, any of the year, like, and if you also want to revise, so you can also start your journey. Do not postpone it, do not wait for the right time, because the right times never comes. And like you might be busy in your academics, or if you are getting time, you just start it. Do not wait when the right time will come I will start. Okay, right time will never come, you just have to take the initiative. And like if you are from the lower branches, doesn't matter nowadays. Okay, so if you are from CS or not, that doesn't matter. Okay, you are from any branch, you just keep on doing these important things. Just you have to learn it by yourself, you have to give some extra time. That's it. And if you are doing well, then obviously, like in the beginning you will feel like you are doing questions, but still you are not getting confident. Many of you are facing problems, like you will say that I have when I just solve the problems I'm able to solve it, but again after 1 week or a few days I'm not able to recall that concept. So you just, everyone face the problem. Okay, you just have to keep on revising it. And what I prefer is that I mostly used to write codes on paper first, and you just take some examples and write on each and every step, and this helps me a lot in understanding the logic. Okay, you don't just write the codes. So if you also want to start your journey, I will say that start it, do not delay it. And please do subscribe to my channel Aslam Coding. And this is my first face camera video. Like I don't have, like I'm able to speak, I'm able to speak, but I am very much camera shy, and this is my first video. I don't know how it is. Okay, so you can just tell me in the comment, like how is this video. And please, like those who are just starting it, just write down in the comment that I'm also starting this 6 months of journey, and share your journey. Let's learn in public. And also you can follow me on LinkedIn. My name is Mirza Aslam Beg, so there also you can search me. I mostly post related to DSA and coding and all things, so you can connect me on the LinkedIn. And yeah, that's it. So any questions, if you are having any doubts, and also you can ask in the comment section. Okay, So thank you guys. Have a nice day. And please do subscribe to my channel Aslam Coding.